apps, we're going to be looking at lesson 11 and 12. And so the information was all the information that I've got in the assignment. And so you'll be able to find what this looks like in there. I've already got it all typed in. So this video, this portion of it, is going to just be explaining what formula you're using to get the information in the yellow. And so we're going to start off with the total income. So to get the total income, it's just adding these three numbers right here together. And so if we just highlight these three that we want to total, and we want to put it down here under total income, to use this formula, we just go over to the function button and then just click on sum and then hit enter. And that number comes up for us. We could do it each time, you know, right here and then here and then here. We could do all of that, but to save some time, all we've got to do is just grab the tool handle, which if I click on this number that has the formula, and I know that it has a formula because it's up here, all I've got to do is just grab that bottom corner and then just pull it across, and it'll use the formula for us. And so you can double check your work and see that this is the sum of C4 through C6. This is C4, 5, and 6, and that gives us the total. And so that's the total income. And again, this is EX lesson 11 for profits. Expenses, it's the same way. We're just going to highlight these and go up to sum, hit enter, and then it gives us that total as well. Grab the bottom corner, pull that across. And so now we've got to figure out the profit. So in order to get profit, what we do is we take the total income and then subtract the expenses from it. So this is going to be a subtraction formula. So in B16 on mine, do an equal sign, click on the number that I want to start with, subtracted with the total expenses, and then hit enter. And it gives me this total that just subtracted this and this. You can grab the bottom corner again and pull it over, and then it does it for us. Our profit goal was $50,000 in 2014. This company actually had a profit, or made $60,644. All that it's asking for here, the highest sales, is it just wants out of these three store sales, catalog sales, and internet, is just the highest number. So I can just do Command C and Command V and just put that in. And then I could do the same. It wants the lowest. It's this one. Control C, Control V. And now to get the outcome, all I'm going to do is just subtract these two numbers. So equals this minus enter, and it gives me that total. And again, I can copy that formula straight over. So as soon as I start putting numbers in, it'll total these up for me. So that's lesson 11. You are to create a chart showing the profit and profit goal. So that's just going to be right here. So you'll just do these two, then go into insert, and then create a chart. Okay, and so this will give you could do something along these lines. Okay, I'm not really concerned on what type of chart it is, but you can play around with it and do some sort of chart that you would like. So let's get rid of that. I'm going to go on to, it also asks you to give it an attractive background. All I'm looking for is some color. Okay, so if you want to highlight these and give it some sort of a background, you know, things like that is all I'm looking for. Now lesson 12, this one is just going to be a very, very short function or formula, and all I'm going to do is, you've got this information to type in. Make sure that you turn these into dollars, into currency, just by highlighting that, and then go up to format, and you can do it this way. Go to accounting, financial, currency, any of these, or you could just simply click on this, format as currency. Now the only formula that I'm using is finding the original value. And so in order to do that, all I need to do is multiply the shares purchased from this stock, which is 80, times the purchase price. So equal sign, click on the shares purchased, times the purchase price, and then enter. Now you can see that this one is not set up as currency, so I'll highlight this column, put it as currency. Okay, and then all I've got to do again is just grab the bottom corner, and that's it. Okay, so that gives us the original value of how much stock that we bought into each one of these companies. So, all right, if you've got any questions, as usual, just feel free to ask. Just feel free to email me. But that covers it for the starting of EX lesson 11 and also 12. Lesson 13 is just creating a Super Bowl chart, and the instructions will just be in Canvas. I think that there's an example of it already on how to start it. I don't think there's any formulas or anything that you need to worry about with that one. So you can go ahead and work on 11, 12, and 13 now. So we're kind of wrapping up this unit. We've only got, I believe there's maybe one more, if that, but 11, 12, and 13 may be it for this unit. So let me know if you have any questions. Have a good day.